Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and it's the beginning of a new month, and of course we have new apps to share with you guys. So in today's video I have 8 amazing apps that I believe you must try out and of course use on your device. Now before we get into the apps, I just want to ask you guys for a really quick favor. Most of you guys that watch my videos are currently not subscribed to the channel, so if you enjoy the videos and you want to see more of them, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. It will really help the channel a lot. And we're starting things off with Media Editor Pro. Now this is an app that will allow you to do a lot of stuff, like converting your media and of course having amazing tools for your media. So right here we have the home screen. We will see the conversion tools, like you can convert images, videos, audio files, or even documents. So things like convert images to PDF or convert audio files between different formats. Then right here we'll have the history of everything that you have converted on your device. And then when you go to tools, you will have here different sections. So you will have video tools, audio tools, and image tools as well. Now you can see right here what we have. You can compress your videos, turn videos into GIF files, reverse your videos, rotate them, remove the audio, add audio to video, merge videos together, or crop videos. Then right here we'll have the merge audio tool, and then you will have a bunch of really useful image tools like the upscaling for images, batch convert, which means that you can just select multiple images and convert them at once. You have here the media resizer, which is really nice. It allows you to resize your images to actually fit to different media styles. So you can see right here we have a ton of tools, all of them in one app. Next up is Live Note. Now with Live Note, you will be able to have your notes or a to-do list all the time on your lock screen or on the dynamic island. Now once you start one, it will basically stay up for like 8 hours. You can see the timer right there. So you will have here the memo, which is basically notes that you can have all the time on your lock screen. Or if you swipe here, you will have a to-do list. Now based on whichever one you're actually displaying here, that's the one that will be displayed on your dynamic island or your lock screen. Now you can also save links, and you will have like the links right here and the photos as well. So if we get out of here, you can see we have the to-do list, and then we will also have, of course, right there on the lock screen. So you can see if we allow it right here, it shows us the calendar, which is really awesome. And then it will show you also here the to-do list. So I have 2 different items and they display right here on the lock screen, which is really nice. Again, you can choose to have either the to-do list or the note one, whichever one you choose on the app. Next up is iActivity Monitor, an app that allows you to monitor your device. From the processor of your device, you can see the usage right there. You can see what is using the processor, so we have the user and the system as well. And you will have the cores of your CPU, which is really awesome. And then right here we'll have the memory, which is the RAM memory of your device. And then you have right here the storage. It shows you how much you have used and of course how much is free for both the RAM memory and the storage as well. Then you will have your battery right here. Now when you go here, then you will have your sensors, which is really interesting because it allows you to actually test the sensors of your device. I can go ahead and test the microphone here, which is really awesome. And then if you go to network, you will also find a ton of details regarding the network of your device. And then right here you will also see everything you need to know regarding your device. So all the information about your device will be shown right here. Next up is AirClap. Now AirClap is a really interesting app which you get to install on your iPhone, but also your computer or other device. And it works cross platforms, and it allows you to send maybe text, photos, or videos, whatever you want, to your other device. So right here you can see in my network I have my MacBook, so all I have to do is just install this app on my MacBook, have of course both of them connected to the network, and once I tap there you can see this interface right here, just like a chat. So you can just send anything you want, any text. You can pick here files, photos, or videos and just send them here on the chat. So if I just go here, tap right there, it will send that text, and now I get it on my Mac right there, any image I want. So here if I have a message, I can go ahead and tap right there and send it, and now it displays on my Mac, and of course from there I can go ahead and share it or do whatever I want on my device. Warlocks is up next, and now this is a wallpaper app that allows you to edit your wallpapers. How many times did you have a picture that you want to use as a wallpaper, but it doesn't properly fit on the screen of your device? Well, you can customize it using this app. First of all, let's load a picture here. So if I just go ahead and load a wallpaper, this one of course fits, but if it doesn't fit, I can go ahead and resize it right here. And of course I can choose the width here, the height, the center, and all that stuff. But if that doesn't work, I can go ahead and add something to the background. I can add a color here. You can choose different colors, of course. You can go ahead and add gradients, add blur. So if you want to add the blur, you can go ahead and add blur from the picture right there. And you can even choose another image and add it to the background, which is really awesome. This way you can actually go ahead and customize the wallpaper that doesn't fit to your lock screen and actually make it fit. Next up is Summit. Now this is an AI app that allows you to basically summarize anything you need. Things like websites, text, images, or PDFs. All you have to do is just go ahead. In this case, I have a link of a website. We have the Apple website, and we can go ahead and just tap on summarize, and it will give us a summary of that website. You can do the same with PDF files, maybe images that have text on them, or any text that you might have copied to your clipboard. Now here we have the summarized text. We can go ahead and save it right here. You can copy it or share it directly from the app. Zephyr Weather is up next. It is a really nice weather app. I really like this app because of the interface that it has. A really nice, simple interface, yet it shows you a ton of different information. Like you have the weather right here, the hourly forecast, the daily forecast, and you will have everything, all the details like the wind. You will have here the air quality and everything you need. Right here we have a radar, so you can go ahead and view the radar for that location or any other location you want. You tap here and you can go ahead, add more cities, or just switch between different cities that you have on your list. Now what I like about this app is the widget, and you can see how cool this looks. You can see the details of the graphics on the widget. They actually look amazing, and you will have the hourly forecast and the daily forecast right here. In my opinion, one of the best weather widgets that you can get for your home screen. And last but not least is email video. How many times do you want to send a video to an email, but you will have to resize it, maybe crop it, make it smaller, bigger, whatever you need to do? Well, this app will solve that for you. All you have to do is just go ahead and select a video from your camera roll. And once you have done that, you just go ahead and just choose the output of the file right here. So you can see it says Gmail 25 megabytes. We go ahead and input 24 right here, tap on convert, and you're good to go. You will have this converted and of course resized to any amount of megabytes that you actually need in order for you to be able to send this to any email. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the apps. If you want to download any of these apps, make sure to check out the pinned comment. All the links will be there. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.